Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My client's had these nails on for 4 weeks now, so we are doing an infill. I'm starting by removing her previous design using my medium e-file bit. I'm now going to be pushing back my client's cuticles and I'm going to be refining these nail shapes. My client didn't want any length taken off these today, so I am just refining that shape and prepping the natural nail using my 180 grit file. So now I'm going to be dehydrating and priming these nails. I'm just going to be applying that to the natural nail area. And then I'm going to be using Rebecca Abernathy's Flawless Clear on that ring finger, just to give that a bit of a clear layer, as I'm going to be doing a marble design on there. And then I'll be using Rebecca Abernathy's Cover Pink on the remainder of those nails. I'm now using Team Gorgeous Pink Prosecco, which is that sparkly pastel pink, and also Team Gorgeous Rosa, which is a gorgeous dusky pink colour, and I'm just going to be marbling them two colours together. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to add in a little bit of white just to give it a little bit of definition in there, and then I will be capping these nails with Rebecca Abernethy's Flawless Clear. So I've already filed and refined these nails, and now I'm going in with Semilax Bubblegum Pink, which is a gorgeous soft dusky pink colour, which is going to look amazing when we glitz these up. And then once I've done that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to repeat that process, and then I'll pop that into the lamp again for 30 seconds. So now they're cured, I'm going in with Rebecca Abernethy's Rascal Glitter. So this is a gorgeous gold shimmery mermaid type glitter, and it looks green in the pot, but when it goes on it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. And now I'm going to top coat all of these with Rebecca Abernethy's No Wipe Top Gloss, and I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So we're going to glitz this ring finger up with a few gems. So I'm just using Urban Nails Gem Gel. I'm just applying that at the cuticle area. And then I'm going to be using Crystal Parade Swarovski crystals. And we're just going to do a little bit of a cuticle cuff in crystals, if you like. And then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm just going to repeat that on the thumb, and then once I've done that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds as well. So I'm just going to apply some of that No Wipe top coat on those nails again, pushing that product up around those crystals but not over them, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So as always, I'm going to finish these with a little bit of cuticle oil. I hope you enjoyed this sparkly pink number. It's a true princess set and it's absolutely gorgeous. My client loved it, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.